A little girl named Lily held her baby brother's tiny hand as he lay in a small cradle. His body and clothes were soaked with the smell of medicine. And Lily's heart ached with worry. Her mother had just told her,
"Your brother is very sick. We've spent all our money and are in deep debt. The operation he needs will cost a lot, but we don't have any more money to save him unless a miracle happens."
Lily's eyes filled with determination. She looked up at her mother and then thought about what a miracle could be. She rushed to her room, opened her money box, and pulled out a $1. To her, $1 felt like a lot of money. And it was all she had. This will help, she told herself. With hope in her heart, Lily ran to the supermarket. She stood in a long line, clutching her dollar tightly. When it was finally her turn, the cashier lady looked down at her, puzzled.
"What can I help you with, little girl?"
Lily took a deep breath and said,
"I want to buy a miracle."
The cashier frowned, confused.
"What? We don't sell anything called miracle."
She glanced impatiently at the customers waiting behind Lily. To help, she pressed a bell for assistance. A kind customer approached.
"Little girl, what do you want to buy?"
He asked gently. Lily looked up at him, her eyes full of hope.
"My little brother has a problem with his heart. He needs an operation to save his life. Mom said only a miracle can help him, so I'm here to buy a miracle."
The gentleman knelt down, his expression softening.
"How much do you have?"
he asked.
$1.
Lily replied, her voice steady and clear, with an innocent conviction.
"Okay,"
he said with a smile.
"I'll take your dollar. Now, let's go see your brother."
Lily led him home, her heart racing with excitement and fear. When they arrived, the gentleman revealed that he was a well-known cardiac doctor. He carefully examined her brother and soon began the operation he desperately needed. As the hours passed, Lily waited anxiously, praying for her brother's recovery. Finally, the doctor came out, smiling.
"He's going to be okay,"
he said. Relief washed over Lily like a warm hug. Her mother rushed to the doctor, tears in her eyes.
"Thank you so much. You've saved my son's life,"
she cried. Lily's father added,
"Please show our gratitude to the generous person who paid for the operation fee for us. The operation must have cost him a fortune."
The doctor smiled and replied,
"It didn't cost much at all. Just $1.
He quickly winked at Lily. Lily beamed with joy, her heart swelling with happiness. She had believed in a miracle, and it had come true.
My dear friends, have you ever felt hopeless in tough situations? How did you manage? Children, like Lily, possess pure hearts and strong faith. They remind us to hold on to our own enthusiasm and belief. Remember, a racing faith creates a miracle.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.